From the ramparts of the Red Fort, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana, a scheme aimed at boosting job creation and supporting first-time employees. The 1 lakh rupees crore initiative will come into immediate effect and is designed to create over 3.5 crore jobs in the next 2 years.
आज 15 अगस्त के ही दिन मेरे देश के युवाओं के लिए 1 लाख करोड़ रुपए की योजना हम चालू कर रहे हैं, लागू कर रहे हैं। आज से प्रधानमंत्री विकसित भारत रोजगार योजना आज ही 15 अगस्त को लागू हो रही है। ये आपके लिए बहुत खुशखबरी है। इस योजना के तहत निजी क्षेत्र में पहली नौकरी पाने वाले नौजवान को, बेटे बेटी को 15,000 रुपया सरकार की तरफ से दिए जाएंगे। कंपनियों को भी नए रोजगार देने के अवसर जो भी ज्यादा जुटाएगा, उनको भी प्रोत्साहन राशि दी जाएगी। प्रधानमंत्री विकसित भारत रोजगार योजना करीब 3.5 करोड़ नौजवानों को रोजगार के नए अवसर बनाएगी। मैं सभी नौजवानों को इसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
The scheme has two components. Part A focuses on first-time employees, and Part B incentivizes employers to create new jobs. Under Part A, youth getting their first job in the private sector will receive 15,000 rupees from the centre in 2 installments, one after 6 months and another after completing a year of service along with a financial literacy course. Payments will be made via direct benefit transfer using the Aadhaar system, with part of the funds locked in a savings instrument to encourage financial discipline. In Part B, the focus shifts to employers. Companies hiring additional staff will receive up to 3,000 rupees per month per new employee for 2 years. For the manufacturing sector, this support extends up to 4 years. To qualify, smaller firms must hire at least 2 new employees, while larger firms need to bring on 5 or more, with jobs sustained for a minimum of 6 months. This scheme directly targets formal job creation, especially for first-time workers. It's a push toward inclusive and sustainable employment, as it's said by PIB. The Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana marks one of the largest employment pushes by the government. With 1 lakh rupees crore on the table and a focus on both youth and industry, it's a bold step toward building a more developed and job-rich India.